Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your account on the Kraken wallet website or application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kraken.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Kraken website where you will see the sign in button at the top right corner if you haven't logged into your account. You can click on the sign in button and use your credentials to proceed forward. But if you have already been logged out, you will see the My Account button. Go ahead and click on this, and now you will be taken into your home page after being logged into your account. Now, once you are logged in, if you haven't already verified your account, you will see the Verify Your Identity button at the top right corner. You can go ahead and click on it, and if you're using the regular version of Kraken, then you will also find this option right at the very home page. Click on the Get Verified button and now you will be taken into the verification page. In order to verify your account, you will need to provide all of your legal information. Go ahead and type in your first and your last name, followed by your date of birth, your address, and your city. Finally, enter the postal code, followed by your country, and then enter your phone number. After entering all of these details, you will be able to find the Continue button and click on it. After clicking on Continue, you will be asked some government-issued ID card, as well as more private information. Once you provide all of your verified information, and the information that you provide has been confirmed, you will get a notification from the Kraken team telling you whether your verification has been approved. Once your verification has been approved, you will be able to enjoy more features from the Kraken wallet application, and your withdrawal limits will also increase. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on verifying your account on the Kraken wallet website and application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.